Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to add music to Spotify on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps and Devices. In this section, locate and enable the Local Files option. After enabling it, tap on Allow. This gives Spotify access to the audio files stored in your iPhone's music app and adds them to your Spotify library automatically. Next, return to your library. Tap on Local Files to view your imported tracks. If the section is empty, you likely do not have any music saved in your iPhone's default music app. You may need to scroll down slightly to find the Local Files tab depending on your interface. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.